Hello everyone, welcome to class series, and in this video we're gonna be learning our short summary of our chapter The Noble Bishop. Jean Valjean lived with his sister along with her 7 children. His family was a poor family. One day his sister fell ill and the family starved. Jean Valjean searched for work every nook and corner, but he could not get any work. He couldn't see the children starving. There was no help from anybody, so he decided to steal. He stole some bread, but he was sentenced to 19 years in the galleys. His life was absolute hell then. They chained him like a wild animal. They treated him as beast. They starved him and got work from him. He was not treated as a man. He tried to escape many times, but in vain. He was caught each time and the court increased his sentence. He led the life of a prisoner for 19 years and he came out hardened. He decided to work and make up his living, but he did not get work. All sent him out without helping him. All wandered for 3 days without food. They treated him as a convict. Walking aimlessly and without food, he came to the house of a bishop. Bishop's sister, Baptistine, was ready to serve the dinner. Jean Valjean, who was the convict, introduced himself to the bishop and asked for food. The bishop was very kind. He told his sister to put another place for Jean Valjean and also to put some sheets on the bed in the alcove. The bishop addressed him as a friend and told him to feel at home. There was a little lamp which gave poor light, so the bishop told his sister to bring silver candlesticks and light them. She brought them and served the dinner, which consisted of soup, cheese, mutton, and a large loaf of bread. The convicts eats quickly. After that, he told the bishop his story. The bishop heard his story and told him to lie down and sleep on the couch. Accordingly, Jean Valjean fell asleep, but he woke up at the middle of the night because of his bed, because he had not slept on a bed. Then the clock struck 2. Jean Valjean started thinking about the silverware. He wanted to steal them, so he came to the adjacent room and observed that the rays of the moonlight shone on the bishop's face. Then he went straight to the cupboard, took the silverware, and escaped. Baptiste brought the theft to the notice of her brother, who is the bishop. The bishop did not lose his temper. He only told that the silverware belonged to the poor. During this time, 4 policemen entered the house of the bishop, and they had brought Jean Valjean with them. On seeing him, the bishop told the policeman that he had given the silverware to the man. The police left him and went. Jean Valjean looked at the bishop with wonder, and he did not find any words to describe the nobility of the bishop. The bishop told him to take all the candlesticks with him, and his doors are always open for him. Jean Valjean thanked him and went. He led the life of an honest man and lived happily, helping the poor people like himself.